Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to learn one of the most important rules in indices, and it's actually very simple. When we multiply powers with the same base, we add the indices. The rule is a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So actually the powers get added when the same bases are multiplied with different powers. Like here, a to the power m is multiplied by a to the power n. Both bases are same, which is represented by letter A, and the powers are different, m and n. So this equals to a to the power m plus n. As the bases are being multiplied, so the powers are being added. Now don't worry if that sounds confusing. Our first example is 2 cubed multiplied by 2 to the power 4. So now solve this. For this, as as you can see, the bases are same and the powers are different, and the sign between them is multiplication. So this will become 2 to the power 3 plus 4, which is equals to 2 to the power 3 plus 4 is 7. So 2 to the power 7. So 2 to the power 7 is 128. So this is the answer. So let's try another example. 5 squared multiplied by 5 to the power cube. Now solve this. Both the bases are same and powers are different, so powers will be added. 5 to the power 2 plus 3. This is equals to 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Therefore 5 squared multiplied by 5 cube equals 5 to the power 5, and 5 to the power 5 equals 3125. So this will be our final answer. Now simplify. Now we have to simplify. 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 5. Both the bases are same. Both bases are same and powers are different. And the sign between them is of multiplication. So this will be 7 2 plus 5. 7 to the power 2 plus 5. This will equals to 7 to the power 7. And 7 to the power 7 on calculator is 8 2 3 5 4 3. So this will be our final answer. So that's it for today. Excellent. Before we finish, remember this important rule. If the bases are the same and you are multiplying, add the indices. That's all for this lesson. In the next video, we'll learn what happens when we divide powers with the same bases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.